Hello everyone, this is Dharmender Sharma and today we are going to start second game, hockey. The first of all history of the game. The Persian, Egyptians, Greek and Romans all left evidence of an activity playing a game with a ball and stick. The some place it was played on horseback and became polo. In the other place it was played on ice. The rule for modern field hockey were first codified in England, where the shinty sport played by two 12 players teams on a field more than 150 meters long was very popular in the late 18th century. The Blackheath Club in London was the first to be formed in 1861 and the official matches were played. Men's hockey was an event in the 1908 London Olympics. Women's first hockey became an Olympic event only 1980. The International Hockey Federation was formed in 1924 to govern the game. Today it has 190 members nation. Besides Olympic, the World Cup is the main tournament started in 1971 for men and for women it started 1974. In India, it started from Gwalior in 1924. The Indian Hockey Federation was formed in 1925 at Gwalior. Now it is named as Hockey India, which regulate its development in India. India participated first time at 1928 Amsterdam Olympic, where it won first ever gold medal in Olympic Games. Hockey is the national game of India and very popular in Punjab and other parts of India. Sansarpur, a village near Jalandhar, is famous for producing hockey player. This village near about 14 Olympians produced. India has also gained many Olympic medals in game, 8 times Olympic, 2 times World Cup and 5 times Asian Championship. Pakistan has also good status of hockey in their country. Now we have latest rules of the game. 2 teams, 11 players each, play 2 halves of 35 minutes for men and 30 minutes for women, with a 5 to 10 minutes rest in half time. Using front face of the hockey, if the player found backside use hockey, that is violation. There is 2 rules on trial basis. The rule number 1 is the game is about 60 minutes, which is divided into 4 quarters of 50 minutes each, with rest of 2 minutes in each quarter and 50 minutes in a half time. The another rule is in knockout tournament is that tournament where when the team gets loose, they are not allowed to participate in another matches. That is called knockout tournament. In this case, tie, then no extra time is given. Earlier what happened, there is extra time given, but according to new rule there is no extra time given. The winner of the match is decided by penalty shootout, means a result has to be declared. Only penalty shootout. In penalty shootout, only one opponent is permitted to score a goal in less than 8 seconds, where goalkeeper defends him. Substitute player can enter any time, that is called rolling substitutions. In rolling substitutions, there is no need to take permission to the referee. Player cannot change during penalty corner. The referee blow his whistle to signal the start of the game. Player touch the ball with a face of front of stick. A player can take part in the game only if he has his own stick in his hand. The ball is put in play with a center pass to on half to the field, during which all players must be in their own half field. There are two referees who regulates the rules and regulation. The goal is only scored from the inside the shooting circle. The goalkeeper can use hand and legs but cannot hold the ball. If foul is committed by a defender in shooting circle, then penalty corner is given to the opposition team. Penalty stroke also awarded when defending team or defending player commit serious foul in the shooting circle. What are the serious foul means? Hitting the player, shouting on the player, deliberately pushing, unsportsmanlike behavior. These all are unsportsmanlike fouls, means where the referee direct awarded penalty stroke. If there is tie during regular time, then two half of 10 minutes each are played as extended time. If there is still tie, then sudden death is followed, in which 5 players of each team attempt to push the ball while opponent goalkeeper defend the ball. This is performed alternatively by each team. Afterward, 1-1 attempt is followed to break the tie. Now we have two diagrams of hockey field. One is green and one is blue diagram. In green diagram, what we are looking, the lines of the hockey field, you can see there is end line, side line, center line, 23-meter line, shooting circle, etc. And in blue picture, where the position of the player, how they are standing, where the goalkeeper is there, we can see from the blue picture. The next is tips to remember. In this, what we are going to learn, like length of the field, width of the field, how many number of the players, duration of the game, substitute allowed. All these information we can learn from this tips to remember. Very important part. If the person learns properly, half of the game he can cover easily. Now we have the hockey player, what he weared. We can start from the down. First of all, he is wearing sports shoes. Then shin guard. What is shin guard? Shin guard is equipment which protect lower leg. Then he wearing shorts, t-shirts, hockey stick. Then we have a goalkeeper also. Goalkeeper is full of all the equipments, all the body parts covered by the equipment. The reason behind this game is very fast and injury may be happen during protect the goal. He wearing helmet, throat protector, arm guard, elbow protector, right hand protector, left hand protector, stick, then kicker, leg guard, all these things he wearing. The next we have a terminology. This I will continue with my next video. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.